Hello and welcome to another English lesson. In this video we're going to learn when and how to use the articles a and n. The articles a and n. Let's start with a. It's used before words that start with a consonant. What are consonants? They are B, C, D, G, M, H, and so on. These are the consonants. These articles, a and n, do not depend on the gender of the noun. They only respect the consonant and vowel rule, so we don't have to pay attention to the gender. For example, we have a car. We have to use the article a car, because car starts with a consonant, with C. A horse. A horse. Horse starts with H, which is a consonant. Therefore, we have to use a. A ball. Ball starts with B, which is a consonant. Therefore, we have to use a. Or a mouse. A mouse. If we look at these words, we can see that all of the words start with a consonant. Car starts with C, horse starts with H, ball starts with B, and mouse starts with M. Therefore, for all of these words, we have to use a. Okay, let's move on. An. An is used before words that start with a vowel. What are vowels? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and so on. For example, we have an apple. An apple. We can see that apple starts with A, which is a vowel. Therefore, we have to use an. And we say an apple. An apple. An elephant. An elephant. An airplane. An airplane. What do these three words have in common? They all start with a vowel. Apple starts with A, elephant starts with E, and airplane starts with A. Therefore, we have to use an. An apple, an elephant, an airplane. A and n always apply to the word that follows. For example, an apple. The word that follows is apple. So we have to use the article an apple, because apple starts with a vowel. If we say a green apple, the word that follows the article starts with a consonant, with G. Therefore, we have to use a green apple. Let's make another example so you can understand better. We have a window. A window. Window starts with W, which is a consonant. If we say an open window, the word that follows the article is open, and it starts with a vowel, with O. Therefore, we have to use the article an open window. I hope everyone understood this lesson. And if you like my lessons, you can press the subscribe button or the like button. These two things help me a lot. And thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.